Today we're making a little potato launcher from Simple Materials. Start off, you need to grab the cap, make a little hole. So what you're gonna do is place the pipe right here, the PVC pipe right there, and then what's that here? Grab your Sharpie and trace around it. All right, not perfect, but that's okay. There. Now we cut it through. All right, just cut it like that. All right, you should leave a nice shaped hole, and it should slide. Ooh, should have a little trouble putting in, and that's what it's supposed to do. Now, grab a balloon, cut this tip right here, and then you just cut it in half. It's really weird. The cut's not the greatest. Cut it in half like that. Then you want to cut this part a little bit as well. There you go. It should look something like that. Now you put it in the middle, actually a little bit back, and then you just put a little bit back in, and then you just put it right there on the front. And then you just push it for. This is the really finicky part, and you gotta get it right. It's really tricky as well. You just gotta push it forward. It's a lot better than pushing it backwards, honestly. Actually, I think I put it a bit too forward. Start back here, and then do the same. And push it forward. There you go. There you go. Now you should trim it a little bit. Just trim it up. Like that, and keep on trimming. Just push it up a little bit more. Okay, that should be good. Now, make sure it could fit in the bottle. All right, it's a bit messed up. Adjust the barrel as well. Make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, now what you're gonna do, grab some super glue and just put a coating in the top side. Just make it nice and hard so it doesn't break on itself. Okay, that's good. Just leave that on the side. Now, what you're gonna do is grab your little barbecue skewer and you're gonna need one of these from a barbecue lighter. It's the thing that ignites the flame itself. Make sure it works. If it works, it's gonna make a little arc. I should show you guys. It's not tricky to see. It's not really, it's really tricky to see here. Yeah, you can see it now. What you're gonna do now is remove the little plastic thing with your knife, and then using your barbecue skewer that you sharpened, you're just gonna poke some holes right in the middle. Like that. Poke another hole right in the middle, right here. All right, just like that. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna need to put it through like that, and it's okay. And just put it through like that. Next, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna tape it together. So grab a small piece of tape like this, just rip it off, and then put it in. Just kind of hold it like that. There you go. Now, if you did it right, I think I need to make it a little closer. There. If you did it right, they should make a little arc. Yeah, it's making arcs. It's good. Now, you got it done, just like that. So, let me show you guys. So, you should just, to shoot it, you need a little bit of aluminum foil. Just rip a bit of it. You like form it to a ball. Nice. Make sure it fits nicely in. All right, it fits nicely. Ooh, there's a little glue gun in my hand. Just force it decently in. All right, that's nice. Now, to shoot it, what you gotta do is get some deodorant. I think Axe works the best, honestly. And then what you're gonna do is open it, obviously. And what I do for this fog, I just spray twice. Now blow on it, and then I cap it as quickly as I can, and then I shoot it. Oh, triple sheen. There you go. Let me do it one more time to show you it's not a fluke. Oh, this is too small of a thing. You got a pretty bad camera angle on it, but I'm gonna make sure this time I'm gonna get one. All right, the same procedure. Remove the cap. Place the ball in. Just like that. And then spray twice. Blow on it. Cap it tightly. Let me adjust the barrel slightly, and then fire. Ooh, unfortunately. Ooh.
I don't think you had enough.
All right. I think. Oh, it ripped a hole. No, I'll just cut it. It actually shot.